Hi Pink Angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Amy and I post beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos always involving lots and lots of pink, so please do hit that subscribe button and also feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _. There's always lots more pink content on there. So for today's video I am going to be showing you my skincare routine using products from Alya Skin. So they very kindly sent me a box of goodies to try out. They contacted me and asked if I wanted to try more of their products because previously I had used their face mask and I absolutely loved it, so I definitely wanted to try more products from them. And what I love firstly about Alya Skin is that all of their products are pink and girly and I love that. And their skincare is all vegan and cruelty free and just really natural quality ingredients. And that's something that I always look for with my skincare because I have very sensitive skin and also spot prone skin. So for me, I have to be very careful about the products that I use. So I found this brand and I love it, and I thought I would show you guys my routine using these products that I genuinely do really love. And my skin is feeling amazing for the past week or so. I've been using these products and testing them out and my skin feels so good because I just felt like my skin was feeling really dry because at the moment it is so cold. It's been like -8, -10 degrees outside and my skin has been so dry and just looking really dull, so I needed something to brighten up my skin, and using all of these products seems to have really made a difference already and I'm really excited to show you guys. So first up is the Alya Skin Foaming Micellar Cleanser, and this is infused with witch hazel and watermelon seed oil, which sounds so good, and it is rejuvenating and hydrating, and it definitely is that because I find that when I use this my face feels so soft afterwards, which sometimes with some cleansers you can kind of feel a bit dry afterwards, but not with this. And I use this with my face brush some days, and some days I use it just with my fingers, and it gives a really nice cleanse both ways. And I'm obsessed with packaging. Like, it's so pretty, and it's got a little pump which you just pump the cleanser out, and I use about one pump, maybe 1.5 pumps of this cleanser, and it just makes my skin feel so clean and also really moisturized, which is great. It also smells nice. I don't know why, but to me all of these products smell a little bit like rose water, like Turkish Delight. I really like the smell. And then after I cleanse, I go on to exfoliate my skin. So this is a really gentle exfoliator and it has pomegranate seed powder to deeply exfoliate your skin. And I have mentioned before, but I have very sensitive skin, so I find that a lot of exfoliators are really like sort of aggravating to my skin and they make it look really red and sore, but this has been really gentle and I really like this because it just makes my skin look bright, makes it look a lot softer, but it doesn't irritate it, which is really important for me, and it smells great as well. And again, packaging is just adorable. I'm obsessed with how cute all of these things are. And then after that, I then go on to use the Pink Perfect Clay Mask. Now, this has been a favourite of mine for quite a while. I think I got this must have been over a year ago. I first tried this face mask and I used the entire thing, and I'm so happy that I have more now because I actually really missed it in my skincare routine when I didn't have this. And it's a Australian pink clay mask and it's to detoxify and brighten. And my skin is very sensitive, but it's also spot prone, so I do tend to go for clay masks, but generally I find whenever I use a clay mask I'll rinse it off and my skin feels really dry and kind of sore because it's been very drying. But this mask, you can like see the wee dots when it dries, like it's doing something and like detoxifying, but your skin feels really moisturised afterwards. It feels soft and it doesn't feel dry or sore, so that's really important to me with a clay mask. So that is why this is my favourite one, and it smells really good and it's pink. The actual mask is pink, so it looks really cute. I love taking selfies when I put this mask on, and I really enjoy it. It smells so good. So the next product is what I was most excited to receive, because I love serums. Like, I love trying different face serums just because I think they make the biggest difference to my skin. I just love that brightening effect that you get when you use a serum, and this one is a vitamin C supercharged serum, and vitamin C is amazing for brightening your skin. I think everyone should incorporate vitamin C into their skincare routine because it's just such a good ingredient, and it also has hyaluronic acid. I hope I said that correctly, but it is really good for preventing aging, I think, and also for retaining all the moisture in your skin. Basically, the hyaluronic acid is really good for moisturising and making your skin really youthful and glowy, and I just love the little packaging that this comes in. It just is really nice, and it looks really high quality as well, which is amazing. And you just apply 1 to 2 pumps to cleanse skin morning and night. I'm using these products morning and night, and I find that this makes my skin look really glowy, but it's not greasy as well, which is great. So I can use it under makeup, which I've done today, and I think my skin looks really bright and glowy, and I'm just obsessed with this. And I think I'm going to share these products with my mum because I think she would also really like them. Normally my skin can look quite red and angry because it's so sensitive, but these products are really calming and haven't irritated it at all. So it's really important to me when I'm picking skincare products that they are perfect for sensitive skin and will work on my face. The final product that I use is the moisturiser with Australian native berries, and it has macadamia oil to hydrate, restore and replenish your skin. So macadamia oil is amazing for moisturising your skin, and I just love this moisturiser. It's just the final step that makes me feel amazing, and it really does help my skin to feel so soft. I've been going around and getting my family to touch my face because it's so smooth and soft, and the products also smell amazing. So I'm really impressed with this moisturiser and all of these products as a whole. I also got a cute little face cloth, which is great for removing the mask or also the exfoliator. It's a really good thing to have, and it's a pretty pink colour as well. That's the skincare routine that I've been doing the past week or so, which has really helped my skin. It made my skin look so much brighter and smoother, which is so important, especially in winter. My skin has been struggling this winter. It's been so dry and irritated, but using these products have been amazing, and I love how there's all these steps that I can do which really make me see an improvement in my skin. And also, can we just take a moment to talk about the adorable packaging? Like, everything is so pretty, and I think they would look gorgeous on display. If you have a skincare fridge, they would look so pretty, or just on your shelf or in your shower. Like, I think all of these would look amazing, and I love the box that it came in. It says I would stop buying skincare, but I'm not a quitter, which I love because I think skincare is one of the most important things to focus on, because you can have beautiful makeup, but unless you have really good skincare, then your makeup is not going to look perfect. So it's important to take care of your skin as much as possible, because it's the skin you're going to have for the rest of your life. So you have to look after it. And how adorable are these products? These are just such beautiful products, such high quality. They smell lovely, they look lovely, and they also work really well. So I'm so impressed with that, and I just want to say thank you so much to Alya Skin for kindly sending this all to me. I'm so excited. Like, this is amazing to me. I'm really grateful, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it helped. If you guys also want to purchase anything from Alya Skin, then please do use my discount code, which is right here, and I'll also pop it in the top line of the description box so that you can get a discount if you want to buy anything, because I really recommend this company. So I really hope that this video inspired you to take care of your skin just like me and have a really fancy routine, and I really hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!